Hello. Yes, I'm making an Easter basket for you and one for me. Let's get started. So I'm adding a dab of glue so they'll stay shut once I glue them to the basket. So I have them lined up in color order in which I'm going to put them on the basket. Now there's a hinge on the egg. You want to avoid putting that up against the basket. You want it slightly down when you glue it. So there's a certain directional pattern you have to use to make them all sync. So the top row is all going in one direction, and the next row will go in the facing the opposite direction. The eggs will face an opposite direction and must start between the top layer. So in the end, you get like a basket weave pattern. And it came out so nice. I really like it. But of course, I couldn't stop there. I have a girly girl I'm giving this basket to. So I'm going to add these flowers, little daisies. So now I'm going to wrap this ribbon around the handles, which is optional, but I think it adds a nice little touch. The ribbon also came with the basket. It was woven around the basket. So I'm just repurposing this ribbon around the handles. And it's quick just to wrap that around and glue it. So now I'm going to start on the second basket and fill these later and show you how I make them look lush. So I'm using this, for this basket, I'm using this mesh I got at Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to be doing is doing kind of a ruffle pattern on this basket. So you just need a little dab of glue to hold it in place. And it's about, I think, 3 yards. And I've folded it in half. And now I'm just going to, put it together and then loop it over the basket so I can start the ruffling. So they're little bitty holes, like 3 holes, rows of 3 holes, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna, stick the mesh in the top and the bottom hole and ruffle it about 2 inches. And as you can see, I'm sticking the edges inside the holes, and it's starting to turn into a ruffle pattern. Really like this color green. Kind of gives me a kind of grassy look. Well, grass color. And in the inside, it's really easy. Just kind of glue the parts that you stuck inside down. That goes really quick. So now you can leave it ruffled just like this, or add any kind of embellishments you like. Pom-poms, eggs, stones, but I'm adding these flowers because I have lots of flowers. And I really like these flowers here. And so now I'm getting ready to set up the Easter baskets. And I start with some newspaper at the bottom, add tissue paper, and then put shred on top. Here's my haul from Dollar Tree. Look at all the goodies I got. When setting up your basket, you need some tall items like sticker books, coloring books. Those are going to anchor the basket. So you line up all the tallest things together. The cotton candy is kind of a tall item. So separate the tall, the mediums, and the smalls. And these sticky glue things you just saw are really good to have to keep things together, little glue dots. So now I'm setting up the coloring books, the things in the back of the basket. And the next tall things are these little, sticks with candy in them, eggs. I don't know what to call them. But those are going next because those are also tall and help anchor the other items in the basket. There's those little glue dot. They're really squares, but little glue stick things. You can also use double stick tape or roll tape. Here's the cotton candy goes in, and the little gumball machine goes in, and the other items go in. I'm going from tall to shortest. Sometimes you have items that totally don't match the theme, the colors off. That's when I wrap it in gold paper or coordinating paper like this tablecloth here, metallic. I just wrap the gumballs in that and stuff it in the basket. And now I'm going to start on the second basket, stuffing it just like I did the first one. And I'm going to add a eye mask and a back scrubber, some chocolates. Love this little tub because I'm going to eat probably grapes or strawberries out of it. Some lotion, a couple of bath gels, something to sip on. And now I'm going to show you how I put this self-care Easter basket together. First, I start by putting the eye mask around the bottle just to give it a little looks, like a little fur cape. And add the shower gels, bath gels, lotion, glasses. The glasses got to be stuffed to the very bottom. You don't want those falling around. And you're going to use your tape to keep things in place, your glue dots or tape. I love this little tub. And I've just added some letters, me time letters, to the tub. And now for the reveal. One for you and one for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.